As a first step, check that the equipment is in excellent condition and that it has 2 wires. Don't throw away the box. Check the IMEI code and write it down in an easily accessible place. Let's review the elements of the tracker. How to install the tracker step by step. 1. Identify the positive and negative poles of the vehicle battery. 2. Loosen the terminal of the positive pole of the vehicle's battery. Place the positive terminal of the GPS red wire on the positive pole of the battery. Then, tighten the battery terminal. 3. Repeat the previous steps with the negative terminal of the GPS black wire and the battery. 4. Once the device has been connected to the battery, check that the 3 GPS LEDs light up or flash. 5. Finally, use the double-sided Velcro to attach the GPS equipment to the electrical wiring, the chassis, or the fuse holder itself. In this way, you will avoid exposing the device to high temperatures. For better data transmission, the GPS should be positioned with the LEDs facing upwards and lying flat. Once the device is installed in your vehicle, you must proceed to activate it in our system.